January 30th holds significance in India as Martyrs' Day, commemorating the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, in 1948 by Nathuram Godse. Gandhi's death is remembered for his significant role in India's struggle for independence. On that fateful evening, when Gandhi was at his daily prayer meeting at Birla Bhavan in Delhi, he was fatally shot by Godse 3 times, who disagreed with Gandhi's vision of Hindu-Muslim unity. Gandhi's belief in communal harmony was central to his philosophy, contrasting sharply with Godse's view. In November 1949, Godse was sentenced to death for the assassination. Therefore, January 30th is observed as Mahatma Gandhi Punyatithi. Interestingly, Martyrs' Day is also observed on March 23rd to honor the sacrifices of freedom fighters Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Thapar and Shivaram Rajguru.